How to download payment receipt invoice in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can print and also download your invoices that you have put some payments into your Squarespace billing account into squarespace.com. So the process is very easy. So you're going to head over squarespace.com, then you're going to head over your account dashboard. Once you're on your account dashboard, you're going to select the website that you are going to find your invoices in. So here I'm going to put a difference between the two invoices type that we have. So we have the invoicing system, which is going to be sent to clients. So you are going to send the invoice to clients to receive payment. And that is going to be in the invoicing system. As you can see, like this one, we have some invoices in here. So we can edit that invoice and also we can add some project or download it. So here to get this invoice, you are going to preview it and also take a screenshot of this. So you cannot get it or print it. So for your case, if you are going to here have some billings, let's say invoices from Squarespace, which is going to be paying your bills, you're going to head over your, as you can see, your parameters on the settings. From here, we're going to click on billings or billing. Now we are going to see payment information, subscriptions, and invoices. So when you click on invoice or view your invoices, you're going to see all the invoices that Squarespace has set for you. So that is going to be a proof of paying the dues of your subscriptions, for example, or Squarespace services, and you are going to get them for the tax purposes. So you are going to get here all the invoices, you're going to get the option to print them and also download them. Aside from that, if you are going to head over here and create an invoice for a client, you're going to click on invoicing, then you are going to create an invoice just like that. So you're going to click on create a new client, put the first name, last name, and the email address of that client. I'm going to give you here a test. For example, this one is for our account. Then you are going to set up this. So remember, I am talking now about the invoices that you are going to send to the client. For those that you have set or payments for subscriptions or for services on Squarespace for your own business, you're going to see them on the settings. So here you are going to put the name of the client, for example, and also put a memo. You can go ahead and program it and send it later. You can go ahead and put a due date, for example, like that. And then you are going to add a item line like here, the name of the service, the type of it, and the quantity and the price, for example, from $0.5 to, let's say here, I don't know here, $99,000. So then you're going to head over the settings, see the global email styles, and the business settings, then you're going simply to send it to your client. So you're going basically to connect a payment processor, then you're going to get your invoice, let's say paid by the client, and you are going to receive money. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you in on the next one.